Please watch to the end. Comment and respond to other people's comments.
Now, road rage and an investigation around a car shot several times on I-4. Now troopers are searching for the person who fired the shots.
It happened earlier this week along the eastbound lanes near Deltona. News 6's Mark Lehman shows us the damage to the car as he gets an update from Florida Highway Patrol.
Images from the Florida Highway Patrol show what they say is the aftermath of a road rage shooting that happened on I-4 near Deltona. The driver of this car pulling over at a racetrack after he says another driver opened fire on the interstate Monday night.
That's when the suspect brake checked him. And then once that happened, the unknown dark sedan moved directly in front of the vehicle, and
Lieutenant Tara Crescenzi was out of town and spoke with us by Zoom. She says the 62-year-old victim wasn't hurt and believes he may have accidentally cut off the other driver when he got on I-4.
the suspect was obviously potentially upset that he was cut off, and that's why he brake checked, and then there was yelling between the two.
Troopers say the victim was driving along this stretch of I-4 near Lake Monroe when he tried to separate himself from the suspect. In a matter of seconds, gunshots were fired. The victim then kept driving to that racetrack in Deltona, where he found the damage to his vehicle. We spoke with people this morning at the gas station where the victim got help. What about the fact that someone would pull out a gun and open fire at the drop of a hat?
I think it's just a coward.
Why is that?
Because you can sit down, you can slow down, you can talk to somebody.
FHP says the shooter was driving a dark sedan, and the only description is that he's in his mid to late 20s with longer curly black hair. As troopers are trying to identify the suspect, they're also offering advice for anyone else who encounters road rage.
Never engage. So the yelling back and forth or make eye contact or continue to follow, just notify law enforcement immediately as the situation is occurring.
In Deltona, Mark Lehman, Getting Results, News 6.
Well, the search continues tonight for the man behind a road rage incident in Volusia County. Well, he allegedly shot a vehicle 5 times Monday night along I-4 near Deltona. The victim told deputies he was merging onto the interstate when he encountered that suspect. He says the man apparently brake checked him and then got into an argument with the victim before firing his gun at him. Troopers say it's important to contact police if something like this ever happens to you.
We are working with our local law enforcement partners, Seminole County, Volusia Sheriff's Office, to see, let them know about the BOLO for this type of case and the information that we do have so far. But in that area of I-4, there is no live video actively recording, so we are looking for the public's help.
Troopers say the driver they are still looking for is a Hispanic male.